In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a portfolio website in Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating visually appealing designs, and today we'll be using it to craft a stunning portfolio site that showcases your work with style and professionalism. Whether you're a designer, photographer, or any creative professional, this guide will help you create an impressive online presence. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to Canva's homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your account or create one if you don't have it yet. Canva offers a free plan which is perfect for our needs today, though there are premium options if you wish to explore advanced features later on. Once you're on the Canva homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Templates. This section is where you'll find a variety of pre-designed templates that Canva offers, and it's a great starting point for creating your portfolio website. By using templates, you can save time and ensure your design is both professional and appealing. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in Portfolio Website. This will pull up a range of templates specifically designed for portfolio sites. You'll notice various styles and layouts, so take a moment to browse through them and get a feel for what suits your personal brand and the type of work you want to showcase. After you've perused the options, click on one of the portfolio website templates that catches your eye. Choosing a template that resonates with your aesthetic will set the tone for your entire site. Don't worry if it's not perfect, you'll be able to customize it extensively. Once you've selected a template, you'll see an option to customize this template. Click on it, and this will open up the Canva editor where you can start personalizing your chosen template. Here, you can modify text, images, and colors to align with your branding. Remember, your portfolio should not only highlight your best work, but also be easy to navigate. Ensure the layout is clean and the text is legible. You can replace placeholder images with your own work by simply dragging and dropping your files into the design. Similarly, click on any text box to edit the text and include your unique content, such as your bio, contact information, and project descriptions. Take your time to experiment with different fonts and color schemes to make sure your portfolio reflects your personality and professional identity. Once you're happy with your design, you can download it or share it directly from Canva. And there you have it, a beautifully designed portfolio website created in Canva. With these tools and tips, you're well on your way to making a strong impression online. Happy designing!